In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Upwork account with Google. This simple setup lets you sign in faster and more securely, so you don't have to type a password every time. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Upwork and press Enter. Click the official result for Upwork.com. Make sure you're signed in to your Upwork account so you can access your settings. If you're already logged in, you'll see your profile avatar in the top right corner. Once you're on Upwork, click your profile image or initials at the upper right to open the account menu. From there, select Account Settings. This takes you to your main settings dashboard, where you manage login options and security preferences. In the left or main settings area, find the section labeled Password and Security and click it. This is where Upwork keeps your authentication controls. Look for the option called Log In with Google. You'll see a control that lets you link your Google account so you can use it to sign in. Click Connect. Upwork will open a small window or a new tab that comes from Google. If a pop-up blocker prevents it from opening, allow pop-ups for Upwork and try again. In the Google prompt, choose the Google account you want to connect. If you have multiple Google accounts, pick the one you'll use most often to sign in. You may be asked to confirm your Google password or approve a verification prompt, especially if you use two-step verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant the requested access so Google can handle your sign-in to Upwork. After you confirm, you'll be taken back to Upwork, and you should see that your Google account is now linked. From now on, when you go to the Upwork sign-in page, you can click Continue with Google and choose your linked account to log in quickly without entering your Upwork password. A few quick tips if something doesn't work as expected. Verify you're using the correct Google account, especially if you keep personal and work accounts separate. If you encounter a loop or an error, refresh the page, try a different browser, or clear your cookies and try again. If your organization restricts third-party connections, you may need to use a personal Google account instead. And if you ever change your mind, you can return to password and security to disconnect the Google sign-in at any time. That's it. Your Upwork account is now connected to Google for a faster, more secure login experience.